We'll talk about some stereotypes, some myths, and also about love, life, and relationship.
Be fun. It's gonna be fun. We're ready for it.
There might be certain moments where there is a time that you felt, you cried over it probably. That this is the moment I do not believe yaar nahi ho payega. That's the most crushed moment. So what has been it for you?
As per confidence, if I say, I've never felt that I'm going to cry out because ये नहीं होगा. रोना वहाँ आता है जहाँ पे people underestimate you and they feel that ये तो इसके बस की थी नहीं, इसने कैसे कर दिया, अब इसको shame कैसे करें? You know?
It's more when it's coming from someone close to you.
That reminds me, I was in the aviation earlier, and for some reason, it just fell in my lap, and I was in the Gulf for like a couple of years, and it was my calling कि मुझे लोगों की सेवा करनी है, and I had a spiritual calling to come to India, and to start all over again after 5 years of being in aviation. But I think now when I look back in retrospect, I feel so happy, and I think because of that, I'm able to coach others.
I think I personally believe that being vulnerable is a superpower.
You don't have to. You don't have to be vulnerable in front of people.
Right.
You can be. But for me, it's like Dr. Preeti, you are crying. And you know what?
आप भी इंसान हो.
But Dr. Preeti,
Dr. Preeti भी इंसान है.
So Preeti crying over what? I have touched wood. Like when I'm overwhelmed, I must have. But in circumstances wherein I feel that this is not going well or this is not going as per what I wanted, how I wanted, then there is a crying which comes here that I don't have to cry and I have to come out of it.
Would you date someone who earns less, who's financially less than you, but is emotionally supportive?
No.
Okay. We'll start from you. Oh my. Okay. I like it. I like this honesty. Yeah.
No, I'm very moved on that. If first of all, I need you to be of an equal caliber as mine. If I can bring X thing on the table, you should be capable of
Caliber
the
और earning में फर्क है.
caliber. If you would have the caliber, you would put it in the right place, and hence you would make the money.
Because when you believe in yourself that you can do a lot, so emotionally insensitive person will never let you grow. He will be competing with you. He will not respect what you want to do, how you want to grow, because you are an ambitious person. Relationship, you should have love. First is respect, then understanding, then care, then love, and then lust. So it is not mandate that you get all 5 in one relationship.
इसी शाहरुख खान इन डियर जिंदगी he was also a psychiatrist. What did he tell आलिया भट्ट? कहती कि मुझे ये सारी क्वालिटीज एक है, आप एक में ही क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो? Possible ही नहीं है.
Possible ना?
When someone flirted with you, you would flirt back or rather get intimidated?
I think I have my guards way up. मेरी तो हंसी छूट जाती है.
Oh, sorry.
Half the time, I just don't know how to give answer back to the person only.
This is
Like,
very-
I just get in a very awkward position and be like, thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Priya Sachdeva, your host at Training Diary Podcast. Your journey to get a better understanding of the world around you starts now. This episode is specially meant for the women, by the women, and we have here 4 beautiful, talented, amazing women sitting beside me. So I'll not speak much of it. We'll start with a quick introduction about all of you for our audience, like what you do, anything that you want to share. We have 1 minute for everyone. We'll start with Dr.
Yeah. So I'm Dr. Preeti Seth. I'm a biohacker and wellness expert. I have a brand called Pacholi, and I'm a founder of Pacholi Elite, portioned by Dr. Preeti Seth. And we are across India, and we've got about 25 branches, wherein I believe that God has created all of us. So our work is to just nurture that and do fine tunings and make you more beautiful inside out.
Manya.
Hi, this is Manya Nair. I run a beauty brand called iBeauty. It's India's first gender neutral beauty brand, and we are making makeup for all. It's based on the line of 50% skincare and 50% makeup, where makeup, when it looks good, it actually is helping your skin underneath. And I'm also a brand and marketing consultant. I consult across beauty, wellness, and fashion brands. So yeah, that's a little bit about me.
Alisha.
Hi, this is Alicia Khanna. I am a realtor, I'm an advocate, I'm a real estate influencer. I work with all the major brands of entire India, Dubai, for influencing their real estate projects across India. Godrej, Gores, Eldico, BMW Dubai, and a lot more other parts of the brands that I've worked with, and I'm also a little bit into astrology and numerology, wherein I use these both the sciences for my work.
Sabina.
Hi, I'm Sabina Bhalla. I'm a life coach, a spiritual counselor. I'm an NLP practitioner. I believe that there's a reservoir of potential in all of us. And happiness and peace is something that lies within. And I just try, to empower people and bring out the best in them. And I feel that that is my mission in life. And that mission is what is driving me. And even if I can just do a little bit to bring a smile on someone's face and actually make them feel better, I think I've done everything in life. So that's about it. And thank you for having us, Priya. It's a pleasure to be here, especially on Women's Day. Yeah.
So with Sabina and Manya, I've already interacted because we had them on podcast prior. Alisha also met multiple times. With Dr. Preeti, it's very first time, so I'm super excited. We'll make it fun. We'll keep it light. As Dr. Preeti, you were saying that every day is Women Day. So there's nothing special, but for the sake of saying it, that today we will be celebrating women. We'll ask some harsh truths. We'll talk about some stereotypes, some myths, and also about love, life, and relationship.
It's going to be fun.
It's going to be fun. We're ready for it.
First, I'm curious to know, as women, we, listen a lot of superstition, a lot of stereotypes about us, right? About the women as a community. One stereotype that you think you absolutely hate it.
That we should be everywhere for everyone. I feel that we should be given space. We should be having our own verdicts. And that that women is a superpower. We are, but that is at per our wish and not as per others, what they think, what they want, and how they want. So I believe that every woman should work on their own terms, but keeping in mind the society and your partner, your kids. But this stereotype that we should be everywhere. I hate that.
I think I totally agree with her that, when it comes to pleasing people, so you cannot please everyone. And if we have the right kind of boundaries, I think if we are happy, we can even spread happiness.
Exactly.
So I totally agree with what you just said. That it's all about creating the right kind of boundaries, doing our bit, doing our duties. And of course, we are multidimensional, we are powerful. And how
We
about
can do. That's what I said.
Yes.
We can do, but it shouldn't be forceful.
Yeah, it should not be at the cost of our own
yes,
peace
happiness. Yeah.
or peace.
Yeah.
I think people take that metaphor that Ma Durga is a literal. You have 10 hands and you get to multiple
Which she
things.
also used when it was needed.
Yeah.
For her protection. She wouldn't be using all of them together at one time.
Priya, I have a lot of women who come to me like clients, so women who are very empowered, who have children, doing well, but they just get so exhausted looking after everyone. And मैं एक बात कहती हूँ, आपका self love है? Do you love yourself?
Definitely.
And they're like, what about my children? What about my husband? What about my work? मैंने कहा सब हो जाएगा. अपने आप से प्यार करोगे ना तो वो और ज़्यादा निकलेगा.
I completely agree. If your nervous system is exhausted,
Yeah.
you cannot have joy, you cannot pour love, and if you are empty, you can't give love.
You cannot give. वो कहते हैं ना कि जो आपका glass है, वो
it has
जब
to be-
empty है, if it's
yeah,
full, then you'll only be pouring that out.
So if you are inflamed, you can't keep
No.
others happy.
Not possible.
Yeah.
So
I think
coffee.
also this self-love subject, it varies for everyone. And when women are actually, because coming from beauty and wellness industry,
जी.
when people actually look after themselves, when women they look
Yeah.
after themselves, they live like अच्छा ये तो सजती सवरती ही रहती है.
इसको कोई
इसका तो मेकअप ही नहीं मुकता.
इसको तो सिर्फ she will be camera ready all the time. इसको कोई और काम ही नहीं है.
I love myself, like even
Yeah.
my parents, my family for that matter, they're like एक फोन लेके ना शीशे के आगे लगी रहकर. Yeah, because I love looking at myself. I love like
Absolutely.
decorating myself.
So what
I love
self-love
all of
starts from when you look at the mirror. That
How do you
really,
feel?
Are you
How do you
really
feel?
seeing
Yeah.
the right person? What you want to look like? I mean, it's very very
exactly
important.
taken the opposite way.
Yeah.
If you're taking
Yeah.
care of yourself, you're looking in the mirror, you're doing something for your own sanity, it will be taken like, अच्छा ये क्यों हो रहा है? कैसे हो रहा
Exactly,
है?
that you, that
You know,
question mark that comes along,
You know,
it's just more
आज
like,
क्या है?
आज कहाँ जाना है?
Exactly. आज क्यों है और क्या हो रहा है?
Exactly.
Again,
That's
coming
like
to
question
what you
marks.
said that every day is Women's Day, right?
Yeah.
तो रोज ही हम and तैयार होने का भी जो reason है, it's again not to please people, it's to please our own self. We
When you
feel good.
look good,
You
you
when you
know,
look good, you feel good.
when you
That's what you
get to
radiate.
hear ना that इतना क्यों पहन रहे हो वहाँ पर कौन आ रहा है सब तो ऐसे hello I'm not wearing for getting ready for others I'm getting ready for my own self.
Isn't this a very patriarchal mindset and probably North India still prevailing? Of course, there are changes. We see changes everywhere. But I think whosoever comments is coming, it's coming from their own mindset.
Yeah.
जो खुद में खुश है, like all of us here, we'll have to get ready.
Yeah.
We live for ourselves. हम में से कोई नहीं टोकेगा एक दूसरे को. So whenever somebody comments, you have to see that where is it coming from? It's in the mindset. जो खुद खुश नहीं होता है ना, वो दूसरों को भी खुश नहीं
I
कर सकता
said
है.
ना you have to be
Yeah.
full first to spread and
Exactly.
pour. Yeah.
I don't know how many of you have this habit. Let's say whenever I get ready, I know एक smile आ जाती है अपने आप.
हाँ.
I'll get ready and I'll see like that. And my friends,
Looking so beautiful.
and they're like, yeah, why are you laughing? Why are you smiling?
You have that different sort of blush that
And you know, I never ask anyone how am I looking. I feel that मेरी आंखों को अच्छा लग रहा है ना.
Yeah, I'm happy.
True. That's important.
Another thing, definitely you are doing work a lot of in different fields, right? There might be certain moments where there is a time that you felt, कि, you know, you cried over it probably. That this is the moment I do not believe yaar nahi ho payega. That's the most crushed moment. So what has been it for you? We'll start with you, Alicia.
See, as per confidence, if I say, I've never felt that I'm going to cry out because ये नहीं होगा. रोना वहाँ आता है जहाँ पे people underestimate you and they feel that ये तो इसके बस की थी नहीं, इसने कैसे कर दिया, अब इसको shame कैसे करें, you know, that's the situation.
So true.
It comes especially, I'm talking about my segment.
Hurts more when it's coming from someone close to you.
Even if not close, even if your client or someone who
doesn't believe in you.
Initially they came to you because of your brand name, because of who you are, because of what you are, and when they certainly realize after a periodical time that you've spent with them. I'm sharing an example of a transaction wherein you know, there was a time that passed, 1 month हो गया transaction A and B, we had certain meetings, we were at the verge of finalization, agreement sign हो गए, so we cracked that and we moved one step forward. So after that they started evaluating you that oh ये हो गया, मतलब you know that property was in a dispute, I got it sorted, lawyers were there, it was challenging, certain lawyers, High Court, Supreme Court, much seniors to me were involved in that, but it still happened. So that person senior to me, I will say he was more than 60, 70, around 70. He started questioning, I don't know, I think he was questioning his own sanity कि इसने कैसे कर दिया, मतलब you know, a
He was
younger
trying to know that how
a
did
lady
this
or a
happen?
woman, how could she
turn things around?
call out to senior advocates, you know, on the table, and they listened to her and it got sorted out. So yes, definitely the person needs to realize that it's not that if a woman is doing it, it is wrong, or it is not going the right way, or how did it happen the right way. That's the main part.
I think now men has understood that women can do lot many things rather they cannot do, because you know there are so many areas they themselves feel this department you do because you would be able to better do and you'll be a negotiator better, and you know they will understand from you better. And when Priya said that there were moments of crying and all, that's what you said.
Right.
You know, you have those moments because of course we are all human beings, but
You break down.
you break down, you have, but then you know after realizing and learning what resilience you get, that is mind blowing. That is something that
And I
you know,
think we learn from our hardships.
and you learn and then
We all learn from our hardships, you know.
and you strategize things better. So these breakouts.
That reminds me, I was in the aviation earlier, and for some reason, you know, it just fell in my lap, and I was in the Gulf for like a couple of years, and it was my calling कि मुझे लोगों की सेवा करनी है, and I had a spiritual calling to come to India, and to start all over again after 5 years of, you know, being in aviation. But I think now when I look back in retrospect, I feel so happy, and I think because of that I'm able to coach others.
Yeah.
Because you know, even in schools, college exams, or you know, budding entrepreneurs, they come to me, कैसे होगा? मैंने कहा, if I can do it, so can you.
But I
तो
think
मैंने-
that's
These are
also
the
from
moments.
the fact that your own experiences,
Yes, absolutely.
your own journey,
Yeah.
you pour that into others.
Others.
Your learnings,
You know,
they just become the teachings for the other
or
ones.
the other people.
Yeah.
And then I'm able to tell them that see, it wasn't easy for me, but if I could do it, so can you. And जो आपके दिल से एक चीज आती है ना, वो आप कर सकते हो, आप कर गुजरोगे.
I think encounters makes you more strong.
Yes, experiences,
And,
encounters
yeah, makes you more stronger.
Makes you more
Yeah.
strong.
Mane, you're much younger, so do you cry or you're like in that generation? I'll show you, bitch.
I just go like, okay, I would sit, I would just randomly start crying. Okay, I hate the fact that I cannot cry in front of anybody. Like, it just makes me feel very weak. And also, I come across as a very intimidating person. It's like, yeah, hi, okay, I'm like on the move energy. So, I just cannot cry in front of anybody. But there was this one specific moment that was literally a cry that came out of gratitude more rather than
खुशी के आंसू,
exhaustion.
खुशी के आंसू.
And वो खुशी दुख दोनों के मिक्स हो गए थे कि
हाँ,
I
समझ
was
नहीं आ रहा
back in-
था.
ये
समझ नहीं आ
कौन सा
रहा
वाला रो
था,
रही
ये
हूँ
दुख
मैं?
के आंसू है कि खुशी के
I
आंसू
was
है.
in London. I was pursuing my masters, and my business was simultaneously running it. It wasn't doing it. It
That
was
great.
like one and a half years into it, and we have never experienced any sort of influx of orders coming in that much. That day, one influencer, Kirti Singh, great job. She posted about us that lady is a blessing, and we had almost 1400 1500 plus orders in a single night. I've never experienced. I got
nice.
sold out overnight.
Awesome.
I did not have the team in place. It was just barely like 2 people who were doing the packaging and everything. And I was like 5.5 hours के time zone पे बैठ के मैं वहाँ अकेली रो रही हूँ सर पकड़ के
कैसे करूँगी,
ये
कैसे करूँगी,
होगा?
इतने ऑर्डर कैसे आ गए?
तो हो ही नहीं सकता. I was in the disbelief.
That crying was on a good cause.
Yeah, that was on a good
Nice.
cause. And then also
You
that-
outdid yourself.
Yeah.
You outdid
And then
yourself.
I was
Yeah.
under this pressure. रात के 3 बजे I'm calling my parents. I don't know. Call
हाँ.
कहीं से आप लेबर बुलाओ कुछ करो because this will just deteriorate my image and my aura in the market like
In the
anything.
market, like
I
anything,
have to
yeah.
like fulfill the orders. You just do whatever is there in your capacity, and then they go like बेटा सब ठीक था 3:30 बजे ऐसी कौन सी आफत आई थी कि आपने घर में सबको उठा दिया. So I'm like very that way. It's like no. When I'm like out of my zone, I would just call everyone in my family. Touch wood. God bless everyone with such family. I have great family, great parents, great push support. Whatever I am, and my entire personality is out of my parents because they're also youngest in the
Support,
family.
support, yeah.
So their children, I mean my siblings, and we are also very like young in our families. So we are all like friends. I'm at that point in my life where my parents are like more pushy towards me, like go have fun. This is only your life, this and that.
So very nice. So I like to add biological perspective to it.
Yeah.
The crying. When the crying comes out of achieving something, as you mentioned, or the crying is coming out of burnout
Pain.
or the stress or the pain. So you release cortisol,
Cortisol.
in this
Yeah,
case,
in the stress
and in
case.
her case, you release dopamine.
Dopamine,
Okay.
So
yeah.
that's where it is
The
decided
chemical.
by the body that it is like which zone you are going, and that's how you maintain it, and that's how you enjoy
रोना
life.
अच्छा एक चीज ना लोग कहते हैं रोना बहुत important है.
हाँ, it's
You need to let it out.
I was coming to that point because you mentioned that vulnerable point.
Yes.
I think I personally believe that being vulnerable is a superpower.
It is.
It's,
Yeah,
is not
absolutely.
a.
But in India,
It's not a curse. Being vulnerable. Yeah.
in India,
Exactly.
it
But
is looked down
I
upon.
believe.
you don't have to.
So-
You don't have to be vulnerable in front of people.
people, right.
You can be. But for me, it's like Dr. Preeti, you are crying, and you know what?
आप भी इंसान हो.
But
Dr. Preeti भी
नहीं,
Dr.
so no,
Preeti भी इंसान है.
So
हाँ.
Preeti crying over what? I have touched wood. Like when I'm overwhelmed, I must have. But in circumstances wherein I feel that this is not going well or this is not going as per what I wanted, how I wanted, then there is a crying which comes here that I don't have to cry and I have to come out of it. So that crying, you're inside. That is not coming as in rolling out from your eyes, but that crying is inside wherein you're activating more power. You're
But then,
within.
whenever
within
I
yourself.
feel in my life कि मुझे यहाँ होना चाहिए और वो जो आप अंदर का रोना होता है, I just connect to God or higher power.
But what What do you mean? Means I think being vulnerable means different to everyone. What does that
There
mean
is
to
one,
you?
So one
What does that mean to
vulnerability
you?
is what you share with people. That are you able to show your emotions? That is part 2. Being vulnerable with your own self is admitting to yourself that where do you stand. It's okay to feel what you're feeling. It's okay to let out, cry in front of the Almighty or your parents or whosoever, and then release it and then see what next.
That's called rebouncing or
So
resilience.
one vulnerability is what you are with people, and I feel in relationships that is also very important. With your partner or with your children, be yourself.
Yeah.
Let them see all shades that you have, that you carry.
Exactly.
And vulnerability also allows the other person to be vulnerable. If you're always strong and mighty, it'll intimidate the other person.
Yeah. So
Manya, coming to you.
Yeah,
It could be a
beautifully
learning for
said.
you. Because I have clients who come to me, like I have entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs, they come to me, they're like, I'm like, see, you have a soft side as well. You're a human. Show it to your partner, show it to your boyfriend. It's okay.
And this softer side is obvious with every woman.
Everyone
And if
has
you're
it.
not soft,
Everyone
if you're
has
not
it.
nurturer,
See, we have a
if you're
divine
not- if you don't
feminine
have
and a
the
divine.
feminine energy.
See, all of us are in a divine masculine right now. We're talking
Yes,
about work.
yeah. This is the switch here.
However, the divine feminine allows for empathy to grow. आप अगर थोड़ा सा अपना वो साइड दिखाओगे ना, सॉफ्ट साइड, वो दूसरा इंसान कहेगा मैं भी दिखाता हूँ. पर अगर मैं हमेशा टफ हूँ, वो कहेगा मैं डरता हूँ यार इससे. अब हमें डराना है या हमें प्यार बढ़ाना है, वो हमारे ऊपर है. So again, coming back to you, Priya, vulnerability is important. Once you have crossed that mark of being in a serious relationship, I'm not saying that be in front of everyone and anyone, but once you have that faith that okay, it's going somewhere, ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
True.
But this vulnerability thing, like coming to your point also, that divine feminine bit, whenever I have shown like my softer side or my, emotional side to people, they just go in like plain switch zone. They're like, तू तो ऐसी है ही नहीं. अरे ऐसी करनी है का क्या मतलब होता है? मैं हूँ तो at the end of the day I'm human. I do have like certain emotions running through and they're like, but you are always hee ha hoo, and then you are always there to cheer everyone up. Like,
I'll tell you, I
Why
can
not?
relate to you
So I-
because it's with me also.
Yeah, so I can also relate to it.
No,
So if I am quiet, whether I'm crying or not, even my that quietness will disturb
that brings
everyone.
uncomfortable.
Why are you quiet?
Yeah.
What has happened? It
हुआ
means
क्या है?
there must be something
कुछ
very
wrong.
serious.
Yeah.
She's quiet.
So let's just say they're used to your chirpy nature,
Yeah.
or you being nice, coming back to people.
But what do you think? Whose fault it is? It's ours that we have never given people that space to understand us because we have always been our best
I
to
think
them,
it's our
or it's
responsibility.
or it's there because they're not acceptable to it.
जब आप एक ही साइड किसी को दिखाते हो तो उसको आदत हो जाती है. Am I right? To see you. So somewhere it's like to make you strong. कि नहीं बेटा हो जाएगा ठीक, तू तो ऐसी है ही नहीं. God, that is one way. The other way is that yaar, we don't want to see that side of you. So there you don't want to go towards such people who cannot take you for who you are because you're a mixed bag.
I think we have relationship like I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a sister, and I'm a mentor also, founder also. So this vulnerability is different at different
levels. With your
now
children.
my daughter, my children, it's different.
Yeah.
With parents, it's going to be different.
They're very different.
With parents, you will have different sort of vulnerability.
Absolutely.
आप जोर की रोगे और आप ये because they are watching you as a kid. In front of my daughter, I'll have different vulnerability. तो बेटा अगर देख मैं भी अभी तो mother बनी हूँ ना. I'm also learning with you.
yeah.
I feel that it's also coming from how healed is a person.
Yeah.
If a person is healing, वो आपको समझेगा. But अगर किसी का अपना trauma है, वो नहीं समझ पाएंगे आपको. तो end of the day, you have to deal with your own emotions, and also vulnerability is something that you deal with yourself, and then you don't care about whether बच्चे भी अपने level पे ही देखेंगे ना.
But they understand na, that mother also can have a pain. Now let's talk about women.
Yeah.
For them we are not women. We are mothers. Mothers को कुछ नहीं होता. For them she is a superpower. इसको क्या होएगा? Why is she crying? So you have to make them understand that end of the day,
True.
we are all human beings.
Human beings.
जैसे आप हो वैसे ही हम हैं. We have to understand each other.
This side, my mother, she lost her mother in 2022. And
After
that
COVID,
was
without
black,
sugar.
no,
Black coffee.
Not due to
Without
COVID.
sugar.
She passed away due to vaginal cancer.
Achha.
And when my nani passed away, that was the first time. And my mother is the youngest of her own siblings. When my nani passed away, I was very, very close and attached to her. That's when I saw my mom crying like a
Crying.
wreck and realizing like she doesn't have a mother. Like I, in my brain, cannot function without my mother.
Yeah.
And seeing that little girl in her,
Yeah,
I'm
inner
the eldest
child.
of all
You're
my
the
siblings.
eldest
Yeah.
sibling.
So when I saw my mother, and it was like, you know, that you are a child to your parents.
Yeah,
Exactly.
So that's what, when I would cry, my daughter will have altogether a different emotion, reaction. My mom is crying. No, mama, I'll not do this.
Yeah.
For them,
So sweet.
making me cry is a sin for
Is it
them.
crying for her
Yeah.
कि मेरी माँ कैसे
मेरी माँ कैसे,
क्योंकि
आज मैंने
उन्होंने
अपनी माँ को
गिल्ट ले
रुला
लिया
दिया।
आपके बच्चे ने गिल्ट ले लिया ना कि कहीं मेरे वजह से तो नहीं रो रही है
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ. Mama, all fine, all will be fine. So that's what it is.
Good children.
Before we
Very
move
good
to
choice.
the another
My
segment,
daughter,
Yeah,
she's
you're
a
a
blessing.
Listen, daughters are a blessing.
she's
I
an
feel,
angel.
you know, that daughters are always not.
I
that-
think I am learning from her. I'm really
don't we
learning.
always
I think
learn
we
from
have
the
to
next
switch the
generation?
roles every time.
The next
I think I'm
generation
learning for these Gen Zs a lot. And
Alicia, you have kids? I don't know, sorry. No.
Raising like 3 Gen Z kids in my house that half the time she's also using slangs like us.
yeah.
Then I just have to tell her at times like, please behave like my mother. You are not my friend. Just like, please behave yourself.
There also we need to maintain.
I
the
have to tell
balance.
my mother, please be a friend. You know, you can't be like in the mother role all the time. So just be a friend to me, especially at this age. You know, like
So
seriously.
when I do the conversation with my daughter, I simply ask her, you want me to advise you like a friend or a mother or a parent?
I think my mom needs to hear this.
Yeah.
She's,
So-
mom,
so-
are you listening?
So you know, I was
Yeah.
talking to one of the psychologists.
Yeah.
Wonderful experience I had. So she said, why difference of opinion comes even in husband and wife. So at times when we talk to our husbands, they start giving you advice.
Right.
वो ज्ञान
So
देने
उसमें
लगते हैं।
ज्ञान देते हैं और
ज्ञान
फिर हमें
देते
लगता है तो आपको तो यही बोलना है. So you know what she said before the conversation? You just need to mention what are your expectations out of this conversation. Hi, I you know I need to discuss something with you, but I just want to tell you. I don't need any
मुझे बस
suggestions.
basically
But do you think that happens? Well, I cannot tell always the intention of the conversation before starting. You have to understand, yeah.
So see,
Right?
then you say, I have experienced it. आप
Exactly.
this is where
अभी आप मुझसे पूछे थे ना relationship.
Yeah.
I've
Trauma
been
की बात है,
married
yeah.
since last 25
Ajab,
years.
before we move it to it, I want to, express that she's Santoor Mama, right? Out of us, she's the one who's the mother. You cannot imagine her.
My daughter is 18.
Come on, guys.
My daughter is 18 years and I've been married since last 25 years. Beautiful husband.
Lovely.
Very caring, very understanding, very respectful, and I have a beautiful daughter.
Amazing.
So that's how the aging. So she's the one aging like fine wine.
inspiration for all of us sitting here that this is how we want to gracefully get
And Manya and me are still struggling. What's next we have to eat?
or drink or way to party.
Mom actually asked me, are you sure that you are gonna come back? Like you don't have any parties? And I said, no, it's professional work that I'm doing.
It's like Saturday है भाई सच्ची में women's day है कि party
बेटी सही में podcast करने जाने के लिए.
She's like, my Bua lives nearby. She's like, are you going to hang out with your cousins? No, I promised you that I'm gonna come back home. I have another event to attend. She's in a complete disbelief.
उन्होंने टाइम नहीं देखा कि 1 बजे कौन सी पार्टी होगी भाई ये तो podcast
So when you say, I simply say the biological perspective
Yeah.
to it.
yeah
So, you know, I think it should be changed from now after this podcast. We should never ask a woman, what's your age? We should be asking, how's your energy? Because that depicts the right age, that right aura. Because I have seen 18-year-old, 25-year-old, 30 years old,
age is just a number
Age doesn't matter.
and
It doesn't
yeah,
matter.
they do not
It
have
doesn't.
energy to do anything. And I have met 60-year-old
What's her
woman,
energy?
and
Yeah.
she had mind-blowing energy. She was all over the place, and she was giggling, chirping, dancing. And those Gen Zs, we call age-wise, they weren't doing anything.
Yeah.
They were on the screen only. So age is something
a
that
number.
gone past.
Yeah.
And we should be asking, how's your energy? So that
इसी इसी बात पे एक सवाल पूछ लेते हैं आपको क्या लगता है कि मेरी एज क्या है
और energy क्या है? Energy क्या है?
Energy क्या है? Tell you why did I ask this? I'll tell you that.
So you know when we become
Good
estheticians or cosmetologists, we are not allowed to guess the
guess
age.
the age. Okay.
Why?
Yeah.
Because then we do prejudice. You know, we
Prejudice
we
नहीं करना,
we do the
हाँ.
judgment that इसको ये बोलना है, वो
Out
बोलना
of
है.
fun and out of
I'll ask
humor.
what's your age. I'm curious now.
Why? Because whenever we are doing something or we are out there in the market or whatever we are doing, and if in case, like your example, we didn't know when we walked in that your daughter will be 18 years old.
Yeah.
But like it's a shocker to me. So when we walk out in the market and they don't know, they're presuming कि ये
Right.
इतने साल की होगी या ये इतने टाइम से काम कर रही होगी. एक presumption आ जाती है that इसको ऐसे ही presume करो कि इतना इसके पास experience है. But when it goes the opposite side, कि experience चाहे कम हो, but your work speaks for yourself, it gets stingy for the men and the women are on the other side. So it was just a funny
37, 38.
slightly ऊपर बोल दिया, slightly ऊपर, but
With-
yeah,
So it's good.
yeah, it's good.
Because you look mentally mature, settled, and you know where to do what. So this comes with the age of
Age is
37.
So it's there.
Mentally,
But
yeah.
energy wise, I would say you are 20, 21.
Yeah. So it's the energy we are talking about.
Your energy is very, very
energy.
good.
Energy.
So your energy is 22, 23.
I'm honored for
Yeah,
this. I'm
yeah.
honored.
So yeah,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
work on something. Why I said 38 off the camera. We will talk. Yeah. So what's your age?
36.
36.
So
yeah.
it's quite close.
Yeah, very close. Yeah.
वैसे you're very close.
Almost,
Same,
yeah.
almost वही हो गया. So it's okay.
Let's flip the side, guys. We'll talk about the relationship now. We'll talk about a bit relationship, right? I have a question for all of you. Consider the fact we have to be non-biased. Forget you guys are married or in a relationship or had a good or bad relationship. We have to have a non-biased opinion.
Clean the slate.
Yeah. Would you date someone who earns less but is emotionally supportive?
Question is from a question.
For everyone, we'll start with. Okay, so the question is: would you date someone who earns less, who is financially less than you, but is emotionally supportive?
No.
Okay, we'll start from you. Oh, why? Okay, I like it. I like this honesty. Yeah.
No, like I'm very moved on that. If I first of all I need you to be of an equal caliber as mine. If I can bring X thing on the table, you should be capable of the
Caliber
same.
और earning में फर्क है.
Caliber, if you would have the caliber, you would put it in the right place and hence you would make the money. Easy. Okay. And if I'm coming from a place where I can provide for myself, and I'm not saying that the man has to provide for me or do whatever, but if I am living in a certain lifestyle, I know adjustment and everything that you have to do, and it's a part and parcel of the relationship, but the other person should be equally giving itself and equally able to support a lifestyle that I have been accustomed to all these years. And emotional support is like
He's good at emotional support. That's what my
Yeah,
question
it's
is.
like-
I don't
But
use
financially, he's
Financially, it's important for you.
has to be equal
or more.
Or more.
or more, and even if it would be slightly less, I don't have a problem. But yeah, इससे जमीन आसमान का तो फर्क नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं वो तो होगा भी नहीं. आप किसी को ऐसे. So again,
हो सकता है.
to agree.
What's your thoughts on that?
What are your thoughts?
What's your thoughts?
फिर मैं then I'll-
To be very honest, when I got married, emotion priority था, पैसा priority नहीं था.
नहीं था.
I'm being very honest. मैंने ये शादी देख के नहीं की because अगर मैं finances देखती तो बहुत सारे proposals थे कि जो financially better थे than the person I got married to. So I presume that he'll be emotionally more supportive, more better than anyone else I have met till date. But yes, definitely finances make a lot of difference in building up that emotion.
Or to
To be honest
sustain,
here,
or to even sustain.
Beautifully, you said.
To
Beautifully.
sustain your relationship.
forget about even sustenance. I know a woman, me myself, I can do everything for myself, whatever I am doing. I can buy a car, I can do X, Y, Z, I can buy a house also for myself rather. I don't need a man's support for that. But at the end of the day, if that man, the feminist and the masculine power evaluating and equalizing is very important. If that support is not there, and emotion की category पे आपने किसी से relationship कर लिया या शादी कर ली, वो
doom,
वो जाएगी
वो जाएगी. So, you know, to add another layer to it, कभी क्या होता है, caliber is there, qualification is there, experience is there, time ऐसा है, job चली गई.
Yeah.
हो सकता है, किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. In that
Right.
case, yes, you want to support your partner, and you also want that emotional quotient to be there between the two partners. There, it's very, very exceptional, and again, it's very situational.
And I think that's where your love is also tested. Like, how are you pouring
Yes.
into the other person? How are you fulfilling their cup? While you call yourself a partner to the other one,
Yes.
then how are you like, you know, raising that thing for
See,
the
वही
other
मैं
one?
कह
It
रही हूँ
really is
कि
important.
life never remains the same.
But here we're not talking about the typical that one situation,
yeah,
right?
So
Ki-
I like to add
Yeah.
here. For me, it's not the salary. I wouldn't say that salary would be too low and I'll get married. It will be decent. But for me, it's more emotional support.
Yeah.
Because when you believe in yourself that you can do a lot, so emotionally insensitive person will never let you grow. He will be competing with you. He will not respect what you want to do, how you want to grow, because you are an ambitious person.
Right.
And that emotional support, that understanding is very, very important in a relationship. So I have come across so many people, so many females, you know, even in my family, their partners were financially very strong. They are not doing anything.
Yeah.
They could not because it comes मैं अच्छा कमा रहा
मैं
हूँ
कर
ना,
रहा हूँ, तुझे क्या जरूरत है? तुझे क्या जरूरत
It
है?
comes from the background that इतना क्या कर लेगी, मुझसे ले ले. So they
I
don't
get
let
it.
you grow.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
compete with you. So the right thing is, you know what? If you are confident, you will make it. And if you want the kind of life you want, emotional support is
Is necessary.
important.
वो बहुत
You know, you
ज़रूरी
don't
है.
want to every time take you know, confirmations and
Yeah.
yeses that should I do this, should I do that. That emotional unstable person will not let you grow, let you earn, let you do
Typical male
anything.
chauvinism.
Chauvinism तो चाहिए ही
Out
नहीं.
of my experience, I beg to differ here. I got to prove myself, or I got into that page of कि अब कुछ करके दिखाना है because I was emotionally ruptured. It is-
By the
So
okay, got
Okay,
it.
so
see,
Okay.
emotionally, if I totally agree to what you're saying, if that emotional support is there, you
Yeah.
may grow heights. Then तो
Exactly.
level ही अलग हो जाएगा, right?
so that happens you to further grow. But at times this
आप उस एनर्जी को कैसे कन्वर्ट करते
But you channeled it well. Not everyone can channel the pain well, right?
Alisha,
Exactly.
Alisha, everyone,
channeled
Alisha, everyone would not do that.
Exactly, that's
There
what.
I was
are, out of 100, it could be 1%, 2% females. They take this step ahead and they do something for themselves, what they want to do.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I mean 90% females, they just adjust. जैसे कहते हैं ना, हमारी नानी दादी के टाइम पर
Even our mothers, yeah.
सहनशीलता,
That.
वो तो हम
बैठ
करते
जाओ
हैं।
चुपचाप,
हाँ,
ये
हमें
आउट
करना
ऑफ
ही
द
है।
बॉक्स जाके बहुत कम
So
लोग.
coming back to your question, दोनों जरूरी है.
Yeah,
I said
दोनों
that
जरूरी
you
है.
can't go.
I think
Emotional support भी जरूरी है. See, it worked in your favor because you are what you are today. I have a lot of you know, ladies who emotionally are so dependent on their partner. कुछ तो प्यार दे दे और वो प्यार नहीं मिलता, then they become something else.
else.
And that something else,
altogether.
Yes.
वो dynamic पता है कैसे बदलता है? They start focusing on themselves, their work, their spirituality, and then the partners start realizing their importance. ये होता है.
Yes.
It's human nature to be taken for granted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In some way,
So,
percentage can matter.
See, the
होता है.
kind of life we want,
Yes.
we aim for, we dream for.
Yeah.
Definitely, we would not take a step wherein the boy is neither doing anything or
आप कुएं में तो नहीं
कुएं
छलांग
नहीं
मारोगे
जाओगे.
ना.
And you know, we will also judge ना that
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
मेरे लिए ठीक है, इतना तो कर ही लेगा कि अगर मुझे
Exactly.
प्रेगनेंसी में
I
कहीं
think exactly.
maternity
I was
में मुझे घर बैठना
coming
पड़ा
to that.
तो
The person
कमा
that
लेगा.
feed me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we should be
So,
balancing it out.
balance-
Malad, there's a
Both the
point in relationship that comes, I think it there's this beautiful conversation I was having with a friend कि one question you ask when you're getting married or into a serious relationship, can this man be you know, father to my kids?
Exactly.
Yes.
True.
very
So
true.
I
ये
just
बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Yeah.
बहुत बड़ी बात है
बहुत
that
important
can
है.
he the one मेरे को कर रहा है अच्छा है but is he the someone I want my kids to grow up with? Right?
Priya, I'm sorry. I beg to differ here. But there are clients who come to me, excellent fathers, horrible husbands, very chauvinistic. अपनी वाइफ को कुछ समझते ही नहीं
But I'm telling you, still that women choose to
But she
be
will-
with that man.
No, but she will be the sufferer as
She
a wife.
will be the-
She'll be the sufferer as a wife.
No, Priya, divorces are happening.
Yeah.
He's taken the
At
custody.
another level.
Yeah.
बता
Another
दो
level now.
एक बच्चे को जब आप पालते हो ना तो आप एक पेरेंट के मोड में होते हो, आपका जो ईगो होता है पेरेंट ईगो में होते हो, so you know that you have to nurture, look after the child. एक पार्टनर के साथ आप बहुत अलग होते हो,
बिल्कुल,
तो
you
दोनों
complete-
जरूरी है, दोनों जरूरी है.
So I think emotionally strong person होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Otherwise, for every
Emotionally
for us
mature.
also, a man also has to choose a emotionally strong partner. I just took we were in a conversation and we are looking for a match for my nephew. So I happened to meet the girl.
Right.
I asked her that what is important, love or compatibility. Though she said compatibility, but she was emotionally so weak that she got up and she cried. She went to the washroom to cry. Then I told my nephew, भाई देख ये 2 दिन बाद बाहर आएगी कमरे में से अगर तूने इससे शादी करी तो. I'm open about it. I'm sorry, guys.
So why did she cry? I didn't get it. Why did she cry?
She felt my questions were
Too
Intimidating for her.
intimidating or
but
too
my
direct.
questions were so simple
तो
that
उसमें तो वो पता चल गया ना कि
तभी तो मुझे पता चला. So I asked her
It's
that.
such a blessing, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, if I talk about it, I'm 25. Okay, down the line after 2-3 years,
She was
I might get
28.
married.
She was 28.
But you know what? When you are in this arranged marriage sort of a setup, and if there's intimidating question coming to me as like a woman, I think it's a blessing in disguise.
And you know, I told her in the beginning only that these questions, you may feel that you've never thought about them, but take them so positively that you can change things. अगर
Yeah.
अभी नहीं भी
You can
किया,
shape your perspective.
you
Yeah.
can.
Your perspective.
You perspective.
maybe it hit her
will change.
first and then she could just process it
Exactly.
and then probably be like, okay, it's not that
Yeah.
difficult.
And questions were normal. So it's about, again, you have to have the right match for the right marriage to go far. You can't have wrong.
See, nowadays
partner.
now-
But do you think
It is not
love is a
convenience.
distraction, especially when you're building your career, right? I don't know how this mindset shift, but do you think it's a distraction? Like one should get married once they are built up in their life, or before
Again,
that?
supportive
Is it a
partner,
distraction or what?
Again,
No,
very
it's
subjective.
Not. It's very subjective.
Very subjective,
I would say
yeah.
that I got married when I was 23 and I got the best of the partner. Rather, we became 1 + 1 11. So here,
Yeah.
it's not the love. It's the
partnership,
respect,
respect and
understanding,
partnership. Yeah.
you know that care for you more than anything else. It's if your dream becomes his dream,
also.
your ambition becomes his ambition, and he's there.
Then
to
you can
support
try.
But you know what the beauty is? We have
There
two
is so many
people.
cases.
No, so they are contrasting, you know, cases. And both are doing so well.
Exactly.
You know,
That's
both are doing so
beautiful.
well.
That's
Isn't that
the beauty of the
beautiful?
story.
So,
What do you think, Alisha?
See,
ये भी सही है, it worked for her, or this also worked for
see,
her. Yeah.
every woman expects सबसे ज्यादा प्यार उसको अपने पार्टनर
Partner से ही मिले.
ये हमारे अंदर पैदाइश होता है क्योंकि हमने अपनी मदर्स को देखा है नर्चर करते हुए अपने फादर्स को. That's the kind of families we belong to.
Right.
And we've always prioritized that yes, the male of the house is the priority. because our mothers
Provider.
are-
Provider.
Back of the mind वो रहता है. Back of the mind रहता ही है. कितना ही आप सोच लो.
And obviously listening to Dr. Preeti, the way she's beautifully explained, she got married at 23, which is obviously quite young when you were in age.
Exactly.
And then you got someone supportive, looking up to whatever whatever dreams you had, and, had a 1 + 1 support to make that practically possible. On my behalf, if I talk, I got married at the age of 30. When I was running 30, of course, I had established my career. I had a salon that was operational. But yes, I wasn't into real estate. I wasn't doing what I'm doing today.
Right.
Though it was always my family business and I had to ultimately join it. I'm the only child. But I did not because I used to hate being into something which is manly. I expected that notion coming from my partner that I want someone whom I can look up to and he's doing better than me in life, and that sense of support and that sense of emotion will come from him. But if it doesn't, because of whatever reason, could be anything. My husband is younger to me, so whatever reason he could not establish that the kind of dream or the fact that I had. At the end of the day, in precise one line, we can say that you need to realize that what you are inside. इमोशन मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा, नहीं मिले तो जितना है उसको
use
एनर्जी को
करके
सही जगह
सही
पे track
जगह
करो।
पे डालो।
अगर आप इमोशनली डिस्ट्रप्टिव हो जाते हो एज अ वुमन, जो मैक्सिमम लेडीज हो जाती हैं,
हो जाते हैं।
like vulnerability, what you said.
Yeah, right.
Vulnerable can go in a very, very wrong way if not channelized in the right way.
It cannot be expressed in a right way.
way.
Yeah, you want to build up an empire and you are dating somebody, for him your dreams are nothing and they feel ho jayega kuch bhi ho jayega, he wouldn't understand. So that love is I mean
Of no need.
I think understanding
Not
is
serving
the
you.
very basis of any relationship.
Yeah, friendship,
If there's
relationship.
no understanding, if there's no empathy, if there's no like support coming from the other side, you basically just feel trash in yourself also. It's like you sort of as a partner start seeking validation. Okay, that oh, this is my sapna and this
we
is this,
all
this is
watched
that.
that movie, right?
Which
Kabhi
one?
Alvida Na Kehna.
Yeah.
Such a wonderful
Beautifully
movie
made. Very beautiful
that
movie.
see the partner Shah Rukh Khan and Preeti Zinta.
Yeah.
Such mature partners.
Mature partners.
And they did the love marriage. Abhishek Bachchan and Rani Mukherjee, such mature partners.
Yeah.
They all four were looking for love.
Yeah.
They all were looking for relationship. Beautiful movie.
You know, this movie was an eye opener in that time, 2007 में आई थी,
Yeah.
और ये ऐसी eye opener थी तो Indian audience was like
हिल
क्या-
गई थी,
हिल गई थी। ये
They
क्या
couldn't
बना रही है?
understand. So
ये क्या
I
बना
also
रही है?
went into that. You must watch that.
Yeah, yeah. No, you must watch it.
Manya,
Manya, you must watch it.
you're coming with me tonight.
Beautifully
I
made
will
movie,
say
है
so.
ना?
I have watched the movie, but
Well
all I was
justified.
was like,
But
well
well
justified.
justified. Well justified.
In
Why?
one liner.
In
Yeah.
one liner, extramarital,
Well
well justified.
justified.
You know why? They said in a relationship you should have love. Okay, no, you should have love. First is respect,
Yeah.
then understanding, then care, then love, and then lust. So it is not mandate that you get all five in one relationship. So whatever is missing in that relationship, be it understanding, then you will move to another person. You will make one friend, and whom you would try and discuss everything.
Right.
Okay. Suppose you miss respect, then you would stop talking to that person freely. Suppose you miss lust, then you will have an extramarital affair.
See, that reminds me of Dear Zindagi.
नहीं बाकियों में
एक
भी
second.
ऐसा होगा.
हाँ सब में ये पांचों में I said whatever is the missing point, missing dot, you will try and look into somebody
But
else,
Dr.
and then it
Preeti-
is justified because that's what you want.
But Dr. Preeti, Shah Rukh Khan in Dear Zindagi, he was also a psychiatrist. What did he tell Alia Bhatt? कहती कि मुझे ये सारी क्वालिटीज एक कहते आप एक में ही क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो? पॉसिबल ही
पांचों में
नहीं
नहीं है
है।
possible ना.
कहती ओके नहीं पांच में
That justified.
he says you want to have coffee, you have a friend for coffee. You want to watch movies, तो कहते हैं आप एक ही देखो वो भी जो पार्टनर है वो भी एक इंसान है, उसकी भी लाइफ में अप्स एंड डाउन्स आएंगे. कोई भी इंसान इतना परफेक्ट और कोई वो नहीं है. However, see, I feel that what I'm not married myself, okay, but I feel what can keep a relationship going is not lust, is not attraction. That will
Yes.
fade away in 3 months or
Yes.
6 months or 1
Yes.
year max. It's friendship,
Yeah.
respect,
understanding and care. Fourth
Care.
is care.
Bas.
So I also, if I have to put,
in the categorically.
So it is respect, understanding, care. उसके बाद आता
एंड
है
दोस्ती. अगर वो मेरा एक
friendship
अच्छा
नहीं है तो
उसमें बोलती है ना, अगर वो मेरा अच्छा दोस्त
की
नहीं
बन सकता
है,
तो प्यार नहीं कर
सकती.
So शाहरुख खान की three movies.
Three movies.
All you
Yeah.
make you learn that what kind of partner you should have.
Shah Rukh Khan is ruling the women's world also.
मैं थोड़ा सा
He's a legal sentence.
मैं
It's quite warm now.
Now let's get into a fun segment. We'll play a game. I'll just say a sentence and fill in the blank. You have to fill the blank, keep it crisp and short and fun and witty.
I find her naughty.
She's already
But I like it the way you are.
Alicia, कुछ तो बात है. And ऊपर से she's wearing red hot.
Ice in the chaos.
Okay, hot red chili on the top. Let's start. Being a women founder means blank.
Freedom, power, empathy. Yeah.
Love and ambition together are blank.
Power.
Okay.
I can answer that.
Yeah, the love and ambition together are blank.
Partnership.
Society expects women to blank.
धर्म और कर्म से बनी हुई एक देवी जो ऊपर से आई है और सब धर्म ही निभाती है।
Society wants you to be everywhere. They expect all in one.
धर्म धर्म की देवी।
धर्म की देवी, people pleaser.
Success feels like blank.
Peace, happiness,
Contentment.
contentment, absolutely.
है ना?
Yeah.
For me,
Yeah.
can I say?
Yeah. Success feels like.
Success feels like freedom. You want whatever you want to do in life, you've achieved and you've got, and freedom from every worry. So that's a success for me.
Yeah.
I agree to that. Yeah. Success to me
Then
is,
only peace will come, na?
Yeah.
मैं तो free हूँ ना, कोई family, I'm not like married or with kids. So for me, तो that peace, I'm always
Yeah.
aiming for that.
So when you rather have a family, you need more peace.
Yeah.
That's why I feel so peaceful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I feel so peaceful, to be honest. Yeah.
But success to me feels like to have freedom and autonomy to do whatever I want to do the way I want to do and live my life the certain way I want
Yeah,
to
the
live.
way you want to live.
And also success to me also means when my family is happy with me.
I would like to make a
In my
point
voice.
on behalf of all the single women
Yeah.
at a certain age, you know. In India, we are told that we have to get married,
Yeah.
and you know there are milestones, bache, shadi, and all. I would like to tell all the women out there who are divorced or single and you know not finding their partners that having that freedom of doing what you are meant to do, उससे ज़्यादा बेहतर कुछ भी नहीं है. However, having a family of course is important, having people around, but being single is not something that you should feel bad for.
Look
I
down
think
upon,
freedom
actually.
is non-negotiable.
It's non-negotiable. It's
Freedom is
absolutely
non-negotiable.
Yes, as humans we need someone, we need companionship, but this free, that's why you know when you say success, for me मुझे पता है कि वो freedom है ना, I will not negotiate it with anything in the world.
Yeah. True.
Having my own space and mindset to do something that I want to do, creating something of my own every day, उस freedom से ही मुझे इतनी peace मिलती है और वो मुझे शायद किसी और चीज में मिले या ना मिले मुझे नहीं पता.
But peace is priority for all of you?
All
Yeah.
of us.
I
So
all
I
of
think
us, of
freedom
course.
freedom comes and automatically you get the peace. You have peace and you are not able to do anything with that peace. That is also something. You know, what will you do if you have all peace? For example,
But
this saying-
I'll have something to add or ask here actually. But don't you think freedom sometimes bring chaos?
you are in your limits. That is why you've achieved something, na? Had you been everywhere or you would have made chaos, then you won't have achieved something.
where
But
you
your
are.
question was
Yeah.
that as an entrepreneur or as a founder, what is your
Yeah, the
take on
answer,
that?
yeah.
So the freedom will come to that person only. Otherwise, he will not be free. So freedom is not freedom from worries, freedom from thinking negative, freedom from competition, freedom from competing yourself, comparing yourself from others, freedom from seeing the tag. You know, you can buy anything what you want to.
Dr. Preeti, she asked that, you know why? Because freedom for people like us who've achieved, we know how to utilize. A lot of people don't know how to channelize freedom.
No, so there
You can get
the
into-
question is
Then gets
separate.
chaotic,
So
right?
the question
They
is
get
that
towards chaos. That's why she asked that. Yeah.
okay, but her question was success meaning for you
Yeah,
is
yeah.
freedom. Success meaning that you can do whatever.
Freedom to think.
Yeah, freedom to think and you are free
your
to do
way.
everything.
Yeah, yeah.
I think just freedom to be in.
To be yourself.
Yeah.
So remember that word authenticity?
Exactly.
So being yourself the way you are, authentic self, जैसे आप हो.
Alisha, would you date someone who works for you? Blank. Why?
I always want a man who I can look up to.
Okay.
So for me, I wouldn't do that because I believe in professionalism, and I feel for success that discipline is important.
Yes, very important.
And if you start dating with your own colleagues, then you are not maintaining that thin line of, and you're not maintaining those boundaries. So total no of dating your colleagues or
Someone who works under you.
No.
Manya?
Would you date
Never
someone?
a chance that I
Yeah.
would date someone that I am working with. I just keep there's a very strong boundary for me that
Yeah.
there's a distinction between love and work. I don't want to come home and discuss work. I don't want to discuss work while I'm on my way. I want to come back home as in like a human home, and I want to relax and I want peace. I wouldn't confuse the two. And also, I think Like, it's
Does
already
that
very-
happen?
No,
I don't
yeah,
know.
my husband is CFO of the company. He joined later, and I have a love marriage. But I feel that dating your subordinates or your boss is not correct, because then there is this thin line is gone. You know, you are breaking.
No,
that.
I'm not asking about that, but in general, it doesn't have to come with a tag.
No,
It doesn't have to come with a tag. It's like, would you be fine if
not
there's
at all.
someone you
Not
fell
at
in
all.
love with
I
your colleague or
maintain
like?
that professionalism and boundaries.
Exactly. That
So
boundary has to
adding a
exist.
fun element to it, I would never date a client. That goes against my ethics.
What
so
if
no.
you find someone who is like, the
Nahin.
stars are perfect, planets are perfect?
हुआ
So
था एक
why
बार,
so?
I met someone on Jeevan Sathi, okay, and that person turned to be a client, and after he recovered, he asked me out. I said, now you have professionally being linked to me, so now please go look for somebody else.
No, but I'll tell
नहीं
you
कर
something.
सकते
That's
Or at least when we
maybe
was
I,
in therapy,
I would
yeah.
not agree there.
Yeah.
Because you know, my husband was my client only.
हो. What client? Not giving therapy, right?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
मैं तो therapy की बात कर रही
अच्छा
हूँ.
अच्छा I thought that
No, clients, please.
So you get the match.
Either way,
ये
no,
तो
if you're
यार आप
giving
जहाँ पे
therapy or you're selling a
It's a
product.
client, right? Client to client.
client only.
No,
So
no,
say
no, no. There's a very, very strong distinction here. Client कोई भी जैसे आप हो real estate में you're selling products and all for you. No, that clientele is different.
हाँ.
वहाँ गलत नहीं है. मेरे तो ethics. When you are dealing with someone, you're healing someone. At least when you are in that recovery period.
Yeah,
you
that
know-
way.
But don't you think, Sabina, it's a different, as you mentioned for her also, when she, let's say, selling a flat, on that time that person is client, but that's a different story. Out of that, you're into a different world.
Rajiv came as a client.
even
His-
if-
You have to
his father-
detach.
His father came along and he saw me, he liked me. We maintained that decorum. And nobody knew at the office that there is something going on, but we made sure that our families got involved, and then we got
It's not
married.
unethical in your case.
Huh.
In my case, it gets unethical if the person is in the transition period.
Yeah, I
Once the
understand.
person has recovered, then it's a different
Yeah,
story
That's
altogether.
an emotion development that's
But
happening.
then they get
Emotionally and
intimidated
consciously.
because then they see me as a healer and a therapist. So
Want to be
intimidation, so they
seen
look
as a
up to
human
me.
more.
See,
So
your
for me, the
profession-
challenge is
हाँ,
to
your
find a more
profession-
mature person.
Yeah.
जो बहुत कम मिलते हैं आजकल. Because
पता
they
नहीं
like
तो
you know it, you know
बाद में
everything.
पता चलेगा आप उनको अपनी डेट्स पे डेटिंग जब हो रही है आपकी तो आप उसको हीलिंग सेशंस ही दे
But पता है
रहे
ऐसा
हो
होता है, I meet people on dates and then I end up healing them because people are so traumatized these days. कोई ना कोई trauma तो आ ही रहा है after a certain age. तो फिर मुझे लगता है चलो अभी और आगे चलो तो वो ऐसे ही अभी.
Similar sort of thing happened with me. So there was in December only I went to Bali, and right before when I went, so I met this brand owner, and I was actually consulting him. He was very professional, very to the point, very everything. I didn't even notice, like, you know, you just when you have an open profile, you don't really care like who's following you, who's not following you, or whatsoever. It's like unless I want to follow back a person, I wouldn't just like see. So this guy followed me. I did not realize that he's the same guy. He was looking very different, and he started hitting on me in my DMs. And I was like, okay, who is he? इसको तो मैं जानती ही नहीं हूँ, and all of that. And all of that happened. Then he just called me.
Was he
point
stalking you or was it normal? Just
No,
thing?
he was just like replying to my
Replying to your
stories.
stories.
And I did not even ask him for any records. He started giving me Bali records. Go here, go there. It's like, who are you? My chacha's boy. I don't know you.
Another thing, this
मिलने को कोई भी कहीं पे भी मिल सकता है.
So you know, see,
exactly, but that's how you meet your people, right?
In your case, it's
but
perfectly
guys
fine.
say, see,
I think we should never draw these lines.
Lines, exactly.
You know why?
In your case, it's perfectly
You never know
We
whom you connect to.
You know what? You will not go out to look for a boy
Yeah.
in our profession.
Professional only,
And
you'll
come
find
across
someone.
people. Market में
Exactly.
A lot of people
तो हमें
working
ये
in
तो सब
MNCs,
मिलेंगे
कहीं पे तो मिलते हैं. There are people working in large organizations.
And that's how you know them better, right?
हमारा सर्कल ही वही है go सुबह ऑफिस आ जाओ
आ जाओ रात को.
but the question is would you date your would you date your subordinate or your
Yeah,
employee?
anyone.
वो नहीं हो सकता
नहीं,
That's
bottom
the
line.
bottom line
जहाँ
I think it's
hierarchy
collective.
hierarchy हाँ,
It's a
collective
collective
no
one
it's a
as
collective
well.
no
It tells a lot about a person's personality.
character also.
Character also.
But I think there's no harm. This is my personal perspective because at the end, as you mentioned, that we are going to find people out of our circles. So you cannot reluct yourself, irrespective if there's a boss or your,
नहीं.
someone.
See,
uh-huh.
we are building an empire.
Right.
There is a guy who takes care of something. You cannot date. You cannot have that intimacy or relationship because
bias
then
आ
you
जाता है.
cannot get things done.
Bias आ
You
जाता है.
cannot order.
Yeah.
You cannot ask for things timely. they'll take you for granted. The boundaries are broken then. Then there is no hierarchy, there is
There's
no
no
boundary, there is no
hierarchy, yeah.
discipline. People will not take you seriously. And moreover, there is this movie called Accused right now at Netflix.
I've just seen it, yeah.
Just come. She was a doctor, and there were allegations. She was
Yeah, yeah,
accused
yeah.
for
Her juniors.
Her juniors.
and all.
Okay, let's put it this way. If you're on the same level,
Huh.
reporting to a certain boss and there's nothing to lose, then you can date. However, if there is subordinate or superiority wala relationship, there you have to be careful.
So then, suppose this girl is getting along with the boss.
Yeah.
Then boss should immediately ask her to look for another job.
Yeah.
Same place. This should not do.
Not sure.
It
कोई
should
मैं
not.
कहा कि क्या लेवल है थोड़ा सा ये वो सब्जेक्टिव है
Depends.
हाँ,
depends
depends.
it depends let's leave
Let go.
let it
Go
Let go.
further.
I think the next
Next
question should
next
come.
question please
Have
discuss this later
Yeah.
after the
So the question is something related to. So when someone flirted with you, you would flirt back or rather get intimidated?
I think I have my guards way up. मेरी तो हंसी छूट जाती है.
वो बंदा कहेगा oh sorry
Half the time, I just don't know how to give answer back to the person only.
This is
Like,
very-
I just get in a very awkward position and be like, thank you. Thank you. It's like,
What
thank
you will do?
So I think my aura doesn't allow anybody to flirt with me.
Yeah.
That authority, they would get so
Not now, but there would be times, right, that you got flirted with.
See, I'll tell you.
I cannot believe no one flirted with you.
I'll tell you something. मेरे साथ क्या होता है? Truly, in last 15 years of my Pacholi career or before that also. So, suppose somebody is flirting with me. I would not try to understand that.
अच्छा, you are of my category. ये flirt करके चला गया.
And थोड़ी देर बाद
नहीं, पता
after
नहीं चलता.
नहीं I would know that he's flirting, but I would show that
ignorant.
I don't know what
I don't know what you're saying.
No, I would keep talking about something,
Normal,
and
yeah.
finally one day after a month two, I have got enough of guests, clients, people. They feel women entrepreneur. Or it was the beginning of Pacholi. People used to think that she's smiling. Yeah,
No, what if? I'm a man, I'm coming. Dr. Preeti, wow, you're looking hot today.
So,
What
yeah.
would you do?
Thank you. Okay. So to be honest, I have that masculine energy. Thank you, yaar. Very nice.
Yeah, you're hot, man. Exactly.
My reaction wouldn't be. Thank you. Then he gets a chance to flirt more. और बताओ, अच्छी लग रही हूँ? ठीक है, अब मैं यही पहनूंगी.
Exactly.
Something like this.
That's what.
That's what I to call him. I have this bro habit like bhai.
वो ना
I was
bro
like,
को-
thanks bhai यार तेरे अंदर कुछ बात है.
I always come
तेरे अंदर नजरे हैं वो.
So initially what used to happen when I started with Pacholi, every Tom, Dick or Harry, ये कैसे बनाए? And little smile, why don't we go for a coffee? I don't like coffees. Or why don't you come here only to have coffee? And I like chai. और वो भी Pacholi की.
I think because
She
this
also
happens
faces
a
it a
lot
lot.
in her.
What happens to you?
Her line it's
Huh,
big
a lot? How do you react?
Yeah, drink कर लेते हैं.
I think for everyone
How do you react?
I believe there's this friend of mine, she's working in real estate, she's my age, and her boss told her, you know what, just put a photo in a sexy DP so that clients get attracted to you. And she was like, what the hell are you talking?
So these advices you get, and the kind of category we are in. आप तो लगते ही नहीं हो इतने. आपकी बेटी है, and they feel that we are available because we are smiling. अरे
उनको
hello.
लगता है कि जब
This happens a lot.
ये
We have
smile
to be
यहीं तक ही है.
respectful. हाँ.
उसके बाद आप भी घर मत लेके जाओ और मैं भी घर नहीं
मैं भी
लेके
घर लेके
जाऊंगी.
जाऊंगी.
So
Bro-
and then
bro zone
and
कर
you won't
दो.
believe all those people, those who are flirting with me, they are today my best friends. They are either brothers or somebody.
मैंने कहा ना ब्रोजोन ही कर देती है तो
हाँ, brozone
पर ये
ही कर
करना
देते
होता
हैं.
है ये करना
What happened to you,
और
Alicia?
अच्छे buddies.
How do you react?
पहले तो खुशी खुशी कमेंट ले लिया
उसके बाद तेरी तो
हाँ तेरी आई एम जेन्युइनली जब तक मुझे बात नहीं करनी लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक टू समवन आई डोंट वांट टू रिप्लाई टू समवन आई वोंट
So-
समवन कॉल
choosy and picky girl.
वेरी सिलेक्टिव
सिलेक्टिव होना
बहुत सारे कमेंट्स एक रील डाल दो कुछ भी डाल दो तो कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं
यार ये कमेंट्स अब आपके जनरेशन में आ रहे हैं. हमारे यहाँ तो स्ट्रेट बोल देते थे, मैसेज कर दो, ये कर दो, एंड दे वुड स्टार्ट, कल क्या कर रहे हो, कल कौन से क्लिनिक में हो.
नहीं हमारे
You
यहाँ
have to
कमेंट्स आते
straight-
हैं या तो हम हाथ जोड़ देते हैं या हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं या फिर हम उसकी बैंड ही बजा देते हैं. You know, मेरे साथ तो यही पॉलिसी है, तीनों बड़ी अप फ्रंट स्ट्रेट, और बैंड तो बहुत बजाई है.
मैंने भी बहुत बजाई है. सिंपल, राइटली सेड. हाथ जोड़ दो. हाथ तो क्या, मैं इतना बड़ी हो जाती हूँ ना कि उसको लगे कि भाई इसके बाद मैं बोलूँ क्या. ओ वाओ, थैंक यू सो मच यार, थैंक यू.
क्यों नहीं करते?
What do you do?
One guy
नहीं,
who
nothing.
told me that you
I
don't know
think
how
it's
to
the
take
aura,
compliments.
so they just get scared.
पहले
पहले
तो-
तुम तो थप्पड़ ही मार दोगे.
हाँ, I
तो
said-
और मैं जब ग्रेटिट्यूड, एफर्मेशन, स्पिरिचुअलिटी की, तो कौन फ्लर्ट करेगा यार?
आप तो गुरु माँ हो ना.
No, when I said flirt, it's not necessary to be a bad flirt. Come on, right? The people who come with a healthy also, but it's just how we react. Are we get intimidated or what?
See,
I have a
Priya,
very friendly,
this friendly flirt, to be honest, we have grown out of this. This friendly flirt is only first time. The moment you give hawa, this doesn't just gets into the flirt only, then it becomes slowly,
Something
gradually
more,
more.
baby.
Because you know, it's the first way red flag. It's the first and last. How you want to react. Second, kuch nahi hota. Okay, you've liked the guy. And you want this guy should flirt me. Fine. Choose
Yeah,
selective.
choose
when you
selective,
want
right?
to-
यार, if
who I
somebody-
am-
ये अच्छा ये flirt कर.
आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. But you should know your limits. अच्छा, and दूसरा, you're enjoying it. आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, because you know in life you need admirers.
Of course.
Of course.
True,
you
true.
do.
You need admirers. If he's a genuine admirer and he knows his limits, ठीक है.
Limits is the word.
ठीक है. So आप ठीक है. Okay, thank you for appreciation. ठीक है. और अगर आपको लगता है बेफालतू का टाइम पास,
पता है, मान्या कैन रिलेट टू दिस. Gen Z. आजकल हुकअप कल्चर इतना ज्यादा है कि कॉफी के बाद तो मतलब हुकअप ही है. एंड देन यू हैव टू से ईदर स्ट्रेट ऑन द फेस दैट आई एम नॉट इनटू हुकअप.
Yeah.
फिर आप देखो कितना जेन्युइन इंसान
You know what I
निकलता
tell you?
है. Yeah.
This actually is the very start of the conversation.
So I
if
tell-
you are looking for this, I'm sorry, I'm
No,
not
I
that
this is
person.
start. I'm not.
But I'm telling you, this is not just from the men. It's actually both the way. We cannot blame it. It's actually the both the way. So it's when you say Gen Zs, it's both the.
Dr. Preeti is absolutely right कि जब आप हंसते हो, लोगों को लगता है हंसी तो हंसी. यही होता है. ये एक
you know,
मैं आपको बता
हमेशा ही हंसते हैं.
अच्छा, आप समझो बात को कि फिर क्या होता है. उसके बाद a man would try to make an
approach in a
advance.
different
See, I'll tell you.
Then it's up to you. It's a yes or a no. That's consensual.
Yeah.
So you know what? And pro flirting, of you know. So he told me, it was always a question mark for me that how somebody would flirt with her and not me. He said, "Bhabhi, your aura is such." उसके हाथ में आ जाती होगी लग के. So I said, अच्छा. I said, what do you guys see? Your body language. If suppose I tell you that, yeah, coffee.
Yeah.
And yeah. Meaning for 5-star bedroom after this. And suppose you say, no, I don't take coffee, or ye wo, let's have coffee here only.
Yeah.
He will not go further.
Beyond life.
So this
You have to
flirting
shun them
starts like a basic thing, but then it goes beyond. Because why the hell he'll flirt with you, yaar? उसके पास इतना वेला टाइम है.
नहीं. So at work it's different.
Yeah.
Even personally, if you're trying to date someone,
हाँ.
some people don't have the depth to
हाँ.
even consider a relationship.
Yeah.
उनको वही first
Lucky
phase
रहना
में
है.
ही कि चलो, and so there are different kinds of
Kind of
categories of people,
Yeah.
and nowadays the categories of that hookup culture is very
Massive.
very, you know,
But
it's growing
also I'll
quick.
tell you.
very quick.
But you know,
yeah.
that's not only with Gen Zs. That's with
That's like
everyone.
everyone.
सबको वही.
Women होनी चाहिए, men होना चाहिए, और
No, so even like for me, I think I give a lot of value to friendships.
Yeah.
You know, very organic, platonic friendships that two people can talk,
They can connect on a
connect.
level.
You know, so मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, दोस्ती से तो शुरुआत करो.
अगर वो लायक है
जाना ही
दोस्ती
नहीं
के
है,
तो.
लायक नहीं है, बहुत लोग नहीं है, नहीं है लायक.
I told you that my most of the friends are males. मेरे दोस्त ही लड़के हैं. But I get along very well. They know their limits. Rather, I am at peace.
You know what,
ना
they
bitch
trust
करते
you.
हैं, ना कुछ
आपको
पीछे
एक
से
बात
बोलते
बताऊं, वो
हैं.
आपको ट्रस्ट करते हैं.
हाँ, and
Because of
moreover,
your experiences,
you know, and they उनकी
look up
wives
to
मेरी
you.
best friends हैं,
Yeah.
और वो खुद भी हमारे best friends, family friends हो जाते हैं, and we chill.
Yeah.
Because एक girlfriend, मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ तो भी problem है. मैं अच्छी नहीं लग रही हूँ, आज तो अच्छी नहीं लग रही है. अरे तेरे से नहीं सुनना भाई. मैं अपने आप को देख के आ चुकी हूँ. What I am happy with myself. So this is something, you know.
But
Next.
also-
Next question.
Next
Priya,
question.
are you still thinking of something?
Priya has an
I'm just trying to.
Something in your mind.
But you know what? I think what she's thinking.
You're thinking
No, I'm just
something.
thinking something. Yeah, I'm just trying to actually, process what you all are saying because there's so many different perspectives. Right, I'm trying to soak it up.
Yeah, you've been hosting so many conversations.
Right.
So what do you think as per you is
Yeah.
this?
आपको क्या लगता है?
आपको क्या लगता है? आप बताओ.
आप अपना बताओ ना.
I don't know. Matlab, I personally have a very different. I'm just trying to understand
I
what.
think we had this conversation last time also, wherein there are also people like us who
Chilled
are
out.
not into this hookup
zone, yeah.
or this zone or that zone.
We're
There
just
also
genuinely
is
friendly
a
people.
segment.
Yeah.
We are, exactly. There's a segment who are actually looking for genuine connections
Genuine
out there. So
connections.
see,
I go
Because I face a lot of trust issues. I am someone who easily trusts people. I'm someone who give that space to people.
Yeah, see, I was saying that we are the people. I'm the person. I don't know about others. I don't enjoy kitty parties.
Same.
I don't do
बोल
वेला ही याहू and I cannot party unnecessarily. जब तक purpose नहीं है, I won't even go for dinners. When I go there, I feel, am I normal?
Misfit लगता है.
But then I read about it. I studied myself because we are made for the stage. We are not made for the crowd.
True.
So you are okay.
Trailblazers हैं हम.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
Beautifully said.
We are trailblazers.
So you don't enjoy that category. I'm enjoying the group. Why?
Yes.
Because
you birds of a
like
feather
mine-
flock together.
हाँ,
तो वो सब
I
एक
just
से
believe
लोग होते हैं
I'm
ना.
not. I'm honestly before coming here, she just told me yesterday, Mani, you're going to be the youngest in the room. I didn't know anyone here. Everybody.
Yeah, none of us.
So honestly,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
when I came in, there was none of you. And I was like, what a conversation am I gonna have? करूँगी क्या? मैं करूँगी
And कुछ
क्या?
पता तो था नहीं. And you know, I asked her. ठीक है.
I think we should come to the
Come
next
to next question.
Okay, then.
यो प्रिया का सवाल है.
Now let's get a bit about yourself. You,
Let's make it like
Huh.
quick.
You mentioned you are into numerology.
Yeah.
You will quickly will tell our numbers and then you will tell a bit about us. Let's make it an activity. And you mentioned you are into aura reading. I'm pretty excited for it. So we are doing it.
Aura reading करना.
Aura reading.
Acha, guys. हाँ, quick वाली. मतलब you have to be a 1-2 liner. What you have felt when you see Manya.
One.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Let's start with you.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I'm very open to
तो मैं बताऊँ फिर नंबर
everything coming in.
Yeah.
फिर आप बताओ.
Who you are going to start?
नंबर से बताओ.
You are going
नौ
to.
नंबर ना
हाँ.
एक्सट्रीमली हार्ड वर्किंग चट्टान की तरह ठीक है बट अंदर से यू लाइक अ कोकोनट very hard from the outside but very soft from the inside you want people to understand you the way you understand people
Yeah.
that seldom happens you're a number 1 also life path तो leadership तो आपके अंदर हमेशा रहेगी एक आपके लिए जो एडवाइस है वो ये है that whenever you're connecting with someone emotions को थोड़ा सा साइड करके logically सोचो अपने आप पता चल जाएगा वो इंसान सही है कि गलत है
Perfect.
That is for you.
Amazing.
Number
7
7.
नंबर आप तो मेरी तरह ही हो ठीक है
What's your life path number?
लाइफ पाथ क्या है आपका
6.
6 है वीनस यू विल ऑलवेज बी सराउंडेड बाय ब्यूटी ओके चीज़ें आपके हक में ज़्यादा होंगी शुरू की लाइफ में बहुत स्ट्रगल्स देखी है आपने बट आपका जो अप टाइम है ना वो आपका गोल्डन प्लैटिनम पीरियड है सो एंजॉय इट पीपल विल लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम योर एक्सपीरियंसेस यू आर राइटली यू नो एज यू सेड यूर अ ट्रेल ब्लेजर एंड लोग आपसे पता है क्यों कनेक्ट करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ योर ऑरा क्योंकि यू हैव कैरीड सो मच एंड यू वेरी ब्यूटिफुली वोवन योर लाइफ द वे अ वुमन शुड and people are going to look at that they'll admire you but you also have haters because people are like why is she like that why can't she be like us so let them hate you but let the admirers admire you
Amazing.
coming to you
5 and
number
3.
5 and 3 तो आप जिस लाइन में हो रियल एस्टेट में वो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी है पीआर अपनी जितनी स्ट्रॉन्ग रखोगे जितना यू पुट योर सेल्फ आउट देयर इज गुड फॉर यू सिंस यू आर नंबर 3 योर एम्बिशन विल ओनली टेक यू टू प्लेसेस यू कैन नेवर सिट आइडल
Of course.
you love to travel okay and at the same time you are someone you can tell the person on the face you'll call a spade
I am. That's the problem.
that's not the problem
For people, that's the problem.
but then again you don't have to be like the
Somebody
regular
else.
आम
Somebody
जनता
else.
तो आप हो ही नहीं ना
What you are.
Yeah.
And you're
Who are
made,
you
you're
and you
made
don't
like
No,
that.
I'm more than happy. Yeah, for
yes
this,
and
yeah.
the thing is that you also have admirers but they never tell you on your face
Of course.
they are like oh my god why is she like this so वही है but yeah we all are doing well for ourselves
So we will have haters because
Yes.
the kind of work we are doing, and
Absolutely.
you know, at times our ambition, people take it as our snobbishness,
Yes.
our
Attitude.
attitude.
Attitude, yeah.
They feel that we are snooties, and they feel that you know she she is bossy. And she feels that she's full of herself.
Full of herself.
But it's not that. It's about our attitude. That is why we are here, and it's a positive one.
And
Had it been a negative attitude, we won't have been here.
So me and Priya will relate to this. Oprah Winfrey says, "Be full of yourself."
Yeah. Any day, lovely lady.
I love myself, and I say this
any
every
day.
day.
अच्छा डॉक्टर प्रीति अब आप सबका और reading करो.
Exactly.
5'6".
अच्छा आपका भी है सॉरी.
Guys, cut it. सबका number.
You are number 5. This thing.
Life path 5 and then 6.
6. Okay.
क्या बात है?
So life path आपका 5 और वैसे आप 6. Again Venus का number है आपका. ठीक है. And 6th of what? What is your
24 August.
August ना? Okay.
Virgo.
Amazing.
For you structure, organization, it really works well. You're a good blend of a good mind because number 4 is Rahu and number 2 is emotion. तो आपका जो blend of emotions और जो thinking है ना वो perfect होता है. बस आपके mood swings कभी-कभी ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. जब आप travel करके आते हो आप ठीक हो जाते हो. So for you traveling is the key. Okay, and having positive people around you. For you, positivity is what keeps you going, but your mind keeps working all the time. So that works in your favor. So what you are doing, that is the best thing for you. And number 5, Mercury है. तो वो जो आप कर रहे हो, आप सही कर रहे हो. बस ये है कि जब आप ज़्यादा down होते हो ना, so just use water. You just go wash your hands and just chant Om. That will work in your favor. Bas.
I swim, so this is right. I swim a lot when I feel
water
stressed.
is therapy for you.
What is therapy for
Therapy
me?
for you.
So
Aura
I've
reading,
not-
ma'am.
so I've not done aura study somewhere, but I read aura as a biohacker because what is biohacking? Biohacking is basically we take your body, your mindset, and your chemical composition, and then create a path for you, and we hack.
Very interesting.
So that you hack yourself, your body.
Wow, beautiful.
So
Beautiful.
So do it with some machines. How do you do it?
so biohacking doesn't need any fancy gadgets.
अच्छा.
It's you, your life. So how do we do it? So we activate vagus nerve. That has the connection with your heart, with your gut. So why do you get butterflies? It's for all. So why do we get, when we meet somebody, why do you get butterflies? Pehla. Dusra, why do you feel at times constipated or you feel loose motion lag gaye? For an example, you've heard something very strong which is not in your favor. You feel na, you see around yourself also that इसको लूज मोशन लग गए ये बात सुनने के बाद, or maybe you are entering into the room and you're feeling not good, something not correct.
Contracted, yeah.
Because this vagus nerve gets activated, and if this is not, the tone of this vagus nerve is not good, not flexible, not toned, then the person will be weak emotionally, mood swings, he will not be able to absorb what he or she has to, and then this is the deciding factor of your future.
Or decision
So
making.
yes, for everything.
So it just comes across very naturally when the other person is positive.
Right.
So I just felt like she has some positive.
So
this thing to her.
you say see, you have to work on your your
Impulses?
little on your hormonal side.
Okay.
Because the cortisol is high in your case.
Yeah.
Because you take decisions very fast.
Impulsive.
So
Impulse
impulsive.
decision.
So sit in the sun early morning. Don't check your phones for 20 minutes prior to sleep, and the moment you get up in the morning, take deep breath. You will activate your vagus nerve, so the episodes of these crying and
Yeah.
all will go off, and you'll come as a very strong person.
Amazing.
And most important, please sleep well. You look sleep deprived. Do you sleep
I'll give you a
properly?
set of techniques, Manya.
I do sleep. When I sleep,
She
I'll
takes-
come to you.
Yeah.
I'll sleep like I'll go in a very deep sleep. But yeah, I would like be mindlessly scrolling my phone.
Yeah.
What
So
the
that
fuck
I
was
could
it?
that I could see, because when we are in front of that rectangular screen for a
Yeah.
longer time, we have a brain fogging.
Yeah.
So आप उस fog से बाहर निकलोगे तो decisions will be better.
Yeah.
So that is very
Yeah,
very
brain
important.
fog.
Very headstrong, very headstrong girl, and but are you acidic?
Not really.
What are you? Non-vegetarian,
Pure
vegetarian?
vegetarian.
Pure vegetarian. So
Non-alcoholic.
uh-huh.
I don't smoke. I don't do anything. I'm strictly a vegetarian. Like I don't even
Like-
take
like
eggs.
me.
Yeah.
Okay, but your body is acidic,
Okay.
okay, and your hair are blow dried,
Yeah.
okay. They are otherwise frizzy.
No.
They are like these only.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So basically, what I felt is that you're aggressive.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah. So is it out of what?
I'm aggressive for my work, for the kind of the presentation that I'm giving to people. If I'm right and I see something unethical happening, even वो उसमें मेरा matter नहीं भी होगा तो भी मैं बोलूँगी. Like I'm like that. I don't know why, but I
You
love
will
to-
speak for people.
I'll speak for
You will-
people.
हाँ,
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah. And I've done a lot of that work where I've.
But your
been
gut
there.
is strong. Your gut is very very strong, and
Gut is strong means what?
your intuitions are very good. Yeah, you will know about a person in one shot that ये काम का है और ये काम का नहीं है, इसको परे करो. You have a strong gut. You're a strong minded person.
Yeah.
So that's what. Very emotional. Very very emotional.
Spices are
Spices
are
are
sacred,
Lagan and
and
spices
लगना भी
चंद्रमा.
और वो भी है.
Yeah, and
बिल्कुल.
you will always think that ये मेरे बारे में ही बात कर रहा है, and you will feel that कि you will always try to do good for others, but how others are going to take you is something that
Who I've accepted.
yeah.
That I'll
So-
always do more for people.
Yeah.
I'll always, yeah.
So that's what it is. You need to work on your
Emotions.
connection and emotions.
वो तो गुरुजी
हाँ, true.
मेरा
true.
connection उनके साथ ही है बस.
हाँ, हाँ.
Because she knows having a double ascendant.
Piscean,
It
yeah.
is like crazy. You can't even imagine how emotions can just. But
Yeah,
that so occult sciences is meant for me.
Yeah, so
course.
you
Tabi.
will have to work on your hormonal balance also, because when for long our cortisols are high in the body, why? You are a healer, so lot of negativity comes to you.
A lot, all the time.
And you take lot on yourself.
Yeah.
So then you need to wash it out, and everything
I do,
your
I
gut
do.
absorbs.
Yeah, true.
And then it becomes weak, it becomes overburdened.
Yeah.
See, we are handling our own emotions. हमें तभी lose motions, headaches,
मैं तो
ये
लोगों
सब
को
हो जाते
लेती
हैं.
हूँ,
आप तो
हाँ.
सबके ले लेते हो. So you need to work on
पता है
your gut
डॉक्टर
healing.
प्रीति एक चीज़ ये आपने बिल्कुल सही बोली कि इमोशंस तो है ही इमोशनल तो हूँ ही एंड सबकी नेगेटिविटी
हाँ.
द ओनली थिंग दैट कीप्स मी गोइंग इज चैंटिंग एंड कनेक्शन विद गॉड आई कैन नॉट मेडिटेट
Yeah.
For me, it's like
Same-
non-negotiable.
same here.
I
Same here.
cannot start. I have to start my day with gratitude and meditation. I have to end my day with that, and there has to be like soft music in the background. So that keeps. I think that has made my belief in God so strong, and I also radiate the same to people.
Yeah, but you said peace.
Yeah.
2-3 times it came from you. That's your calling.
That's my calling.
So the peace would come not from exhaustion. If your nervous system is exhausted, then you can't have peace.
I don't exhaust
yeah.
myself.
So just
No.
work on that.
पहले
That's
मैं
it.
बहुत लाइन्स लेती थी अब आई एम वेरी वेरी
Selective.
very
yeah,
selective.
that's-
I have my
You're
boundaries.
already on the right path.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have
Just
my
work
boundaries.
on your
Emotions.
cortisol and
वो
all
तो चलता ही रहेगा. But yeah, lovely. It's very very true.
Amazing,
Now for Priya,
It was a big stare.
the host. Roast the host.
Roast the host.
Roast the host.
Yeah, I think she is positive, but she thinks a lot and very judgmental also. And out of all four of us, I think she's the youngest, or you're the
Yeah.
youngest.
We both are
I
same.
think
Both the same.
So you both the same?
Yeah.
She is learning so much from everyone, and all the best she will absorb, and then she will implement that.
Implement that.
And you also don't sleep timely.
Sometimes. I'm trying to improve. I'm really trying to improve. But
And
yeah.
what do you do for your self love?
Like,
What time do you give to yourself? Wherein
Me time.
it's not productive or production. It's just out of joy. So आप क्या करते हो उसके लिए?
I think it's very less, to be honest, but it's majorly like I like to go for swimming or any activities that is physical.
So do you
That's
do that every
I
day?
do almost every day.
So do something which gives you joy every day. That's
Dancing,
what you
Priya.
up happiness.
Dancing,
And Priya,
I do that.
Priya, you start singing.
Okay.
She has a beautiful voice actually.
देखो, when you will sing, you will activate your vagus nerve, and you will come more positive as a person also. Not somebody who's juggling to manage things. You will be more productive. You will be more joyful. You will radiate your laughter and everything.
But how will I make it strong? So I have another counter question. Let's say I really appreciate, let's say when Manya said, there's some people, when they enter the room, you feel that, right? Yeah. That's their personality. Means I'm not someone who wants to be liked by everyone, but being in a field where I think when I enter it, I want to leave that mark. How will I make that strong, Aura?
How
will
you
I
have
do
to
that?
work on
I want to do that.
a lot. No matter people say what about you, how she's carrying herself, she has an attitude. You know how attitude comes with doing right things. Like we were mentioning our story.
The story.
So the mother-in-law and mine. You have to be spiritually connected with your own self. You don't need validation from people that वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचता है. So how will you leave the mark? Do what you want to do. It will automatically. You don't have to be someone to leave the mark. You don't have to be obvious leaving the mark. Just do what you want to
Follow
do.
your heart.
Just do what you want to do and how you want to portray yourself. Just be with yourself and show that.
But for her, the main challenge is she has to be a nice host. She has to be good to people, and at the same time, she also knows what people are thinking of you.
यार अब आप रिपब्लिक चैनल देखते हो ना, but is he nice to people? No, he is what he is.
No, but वो है. She's still. So I understand.
No, but she's right. She's right. Not just as on the camera, but even behind the camera. I'm someone. Let's say my work is like that, where I have to make sure that I'm good to that person, or I have to accommodate the person, even if I'm not comfortable. If I'm not comfortable.
When you will be spiritually active, when you will know your heart and mind, it's going together. You will be not artificially, taking care of the person. It will automatically come.
अंदर से आएगा.
And most importantly, if you will be spiritually active and positive, you will attract those people only
जो आपके
लिए बने
हैं.
वो आप पॉजिटिवली अट्रैक्ट करोगे. आपको यूनिवर्स वो चांस ही नहीं देगा कि दैट यू हैव टू बी मेड अप
With the wrong people.
you will just get right people on your path, on your journey. So whenever when I get some invitation or something, I don't have to ask. I just say simply, universe, I will have my learnings.
True.
Definitely. But now you show your blessings.
Show your blessings. So nice.
So he will show his blessings to you. So he will make your path easy, smooth, and everything. So that's very, very important. You'll do very well. You'll meet right people only. You don't
That's
have to.
what I
And
was.
even the difficult ones will only be a learning. for you.
Yes.
That will be learning. आपने बोल दिया universe को. It'll be
But
learning.
chanting, chanting will help, Priya. Chanting will really help, and pani mein bhi rehna, it will really help.
So that's what.
Last thing, because you have said lots of things, and I'll take some time after this episode to sum everything. It's lovely. You know what? I was so nervous before starting this because for the timing, मैं हमेशा से 1-to-1 ही कर रही थी, and even I was not aware कि setup कैसे होगा, कैसे let's do it. मतलब मैं कह दूंगी अलीशा को, sorry अलीशा, हो गया अभी जैसा.
It will be 101, not this time. I think she was planning.
Later, right,
The dates were
right.
going on. So then she said, now it's with 4.
Yeah.
Would you be happy? Would you be okay? I said it'll be more fun. We'll know more. Yeah, it'll be more interactive. Yeah.
Last thing I want to end it with, we all believe in manifestation, right?
Yes.
We all do.
Yeah.
We all do. One thing you want to manifest right now for the womanhood, for the humanhood, I don't know what the term looks like, but what's the one thing you want to collectively manifest if you would like to?
हर फीमेल की इज्जत हो, हर जगह पे इज्जत हो. That's it. I want to manifest for everyone. चाहे वो घर संभाल रही है, चाहे वो काम कर रही है, नहीं कर रही है, पढ़ रही है, कॉलेज में है या कहीं पर भी है, चाहे एक बहुत लेडी बुजुर्ग हो चुकी है, सारी जनरेशंस को उन्होंने देख लिया. रिस्पेक्ट हो बस एक वुमन एंटिटी की.
I would agree to that.
That's all I want to manifest.
Another
In
layer
this
to
room,
it is
with
that
all the great women.
don't judge women or generalize women on the basis of what you have thought about women.
Exactly.
And
Stereotype.
yes, yeah, don't stereotype women. And look at them as humans who also have feelings, who also want something in life, and just now, and actually our earth is going in that direction. आपको तो पता ही होगा, हम 3D से 5D में जा रहे हैं. And every woman is allowed to express herself. And the thing is, it's not even just about women. As a society, I think let's just love each other and let's just be unconditional. Let's not be too conditional. And let's not be too transactional. दिल से जो एक होता है ना connection, like today we all met for the
Then
first
only
time.
you will be empowering others.
तो मुझे लगता है that let us become an example and role model for other women and society at large. हम जो करेंगे लोग हमें ही देखेंगे. तो let ourselves be role models and like for example I practice what I preach. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ जैसे आपको मैंने कहा 21 days में वो खुद practice करती हूँ. I have to.
Yeah.
I have to follow spirituality, positivity on a daily basis. Only for me
that
to
is
tell
like
clients.
a food.
Yeah.
The way we eat.
It's like air for me, what I'm breathing.
So it's the food for the brain.
Yes.
And you have to do it.
Yeah.
Our soul will be settled then only.
Remember we spoke about Ho'oponopono?
I was not before
I
she
do that every
mentioned.
day. I do that every
I'll
day.
appreciate her about her positivity. She's like, I really say her what she's saying. She preaches. So I remember we were doing our very first podcast. It was my birthday. We were supposed to have a recording. Light chali gayi, and it was raining a lot on that day. Something like that. And she was so patient. I got वो कि सब कुछ perfect होना चाहिए because I suppose you're hosting someone, right? And I'm like in so much and मेरे को यार इतना शर्म आ रही है. अभी हमारा shoot था ये था, and she's like कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है.
You know
कोई
why?
बात नहीं. And she's
वो
so
क्योंकि-
calm. I
You know why?
love her.
Any भरा हुआ ग्लास या एक भरा हुआ मटका कभी शोर नहीं मचाएगा. हम एक फुल ट्री बेंड ही होगा. ये नखरेबाजी पता है कौन करते हैं? जो एकदम स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं. आई एम सॉरी टू से.
जो startup
एक ना अमीर होता है और एक रईस होता है. होती बड़ी थिन लाइन है. सुनो, रहीसी ये नहीं होती है कि ये अमीर करते हैं जो अभी नए नए बने होते हैं. So, रईसों को ना शो करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. सो हम लोग
Content.
कोई फायदा नहीं है शो ऑफ का. You don't have to be. I said now I am like this at home. I am like that outside. I am like this only. Accept me if you want to. If you don't, I'm
Even
okay.
better. Even better.
I'm okay. Even better. So for me, it is going to be for a woman.
And manifest. What do you want to
Manifest. I would love to manifest that. Give us space. Our own space.
Freedom.
मुझे स्पेस दो.
Space, yeah.
मुझे रिकवर करने दो. बिकॉज आज की औरत फिजिकली एग्जॉस्टेड नहीं है.
Mentally.
उसको मेंटली उसका नर्वस सिस्टम ब्रेक डाउन है. उसको रिकवर होने का टाइम दो. अगर आप चाहते हो इतना कुछ, सो फॉर मी आई विल मैनिफेस्ट लेट द वुमेन रिकवर.
For me, I think what I'll manifest for women is treat them as human as you would treat a man.
Man. True.
Okay, we are all equal. Okay, physiologically, I'm not saying, but psychologically, yes, we do are. And as much freedom a man gets in the house, as he gets treated in a house, if
Me
he's
time
someone
do.
you have to go and give water to. अच्छा जी
time
कोई
do.
आया है, male figure घर में पानी दो. Similar goes for
That
the
needs to
women.
change.
And I think equality is something that I would say should go for all the genders regardless.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm manifesting. And yeah, I mean like men and women are same. अगर लड़का बोल सकते हैं मैं मुंह तोड़ दूंगी तो मैं भी बोल सकती हूँ तेरा मुंह तोड़ दूंगी.
और तोड़ भी दोगे.
और मेरे को लगता है कि किसी को भी तोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, सबको जोड़ने की जरूरत है.
जोड़ो.
Strategy over fight.
So what strategy we spoke about when I said win for both.
Yeah.
So हमने MBA में पढ़ा है ना, every battle should not be fought for the winning.
Yes.
There are some battles when you lose you
because of
win
better.
So
अरे और कितना सीखते हो.
Mind over matter always.
Yeah.
and you know
कितना सीखते
it
हो.
cannot be always win-win.
Yeah.
It can be lose-win, win-lose, lose-lose.
Yeah.
But you know, you have to see that what are you winning out of.
See,
this
we have to
battle.
alchemize. So I sometimes call myself an alchemist.
Yeah.
And 7 number do that a lot. We actually see the best in every worst situation, and then we turn it into gold. कि चलो इसमें से भी कुछ सीखने को
So you
मिल
know,
रहा है.
in my profession, people ask me, "Ma'am, you are not reacting. You are not responding." I said, "It will settle down."
हाँ हो जाएगा.
Is it like a thing with number 7? Because my mom is also number 7. She's least affected by any major thing also happening in her
क्योंकि
life.
वो alchemize करना जानते
They are
हैं.
at
हमें
the
पता
stage where spirituality cross हो जाती
हो
है.
जाता
हो
है.
जाएगा.
अभी पता होता है कि ये इतनी
वो पता है क्यों हुआ है और इसका भी क्या निकलने वाला
से
है.
पता होता है. And you know, at times I feel, why are they fighting over it?
हंसी आती है ना, हंसी आती है ना कि क्यों.
Yeah, same like
They are,
Maya.
अच्छा, they are fighting over this. What for? थोड़ी देर बाद इनको यही नहीं पता होगा कि ये fight किस चीज पे
नहीं
कर रहे
पता है
हैं.
क्या.
So you don't have to get indulged.
A lot of people are
indulged.
drama prone.
हाँ.
They cannot live without drama.
हाँ.
Yeah.
You know, उनको लगता है ड्रामा नहीं है तो लाइफ में कुछ है ही नहीं, एक्साइटमेंट ही नहीं है, तो
So
वो भी
you-
हो रहा
I think our world operates on drama.
7 is ruled by whom? Ketu. And it's in my lagna.
Ketu is headless, right?
It is no, but
वो
but-
राहु है.
है. वो जानते हैं ना.
नहीं, वो हाँ
वो इतनी
it
डेप्थ
is
में
headless, it is headless,
headless, but
सिर्फ नीचे का part
intuition बहुत strong
बट
होती है.
वो उनका हेड वहाँ होता है जहाँ से वो देख रहे होते हैं, वो शायद
वो एक बर्ड्स आई व्यू ऐसे देख रहे होते हैं ऊपर से देख
because the head is up in the air.
up in the
It
air.
was cut.
I feel one has to be who you are. Don't pretend. बस अपने
Pretending
देखो
नहीं
पांचों
करना
उंगलियां सेम तो नहीं है ना. सब हर उंगली का कोई ना कोई तो फंक्शन है ना. तो
Fascinatingly, यहाँ कोई
हम
चार
सब
बैठा
ऐसे
ही नहीं है. यहाँ कोई 4 बैठा ही नहीं है.
2 and 4
ये तो नहीं ना पांचवी.
But
ये
yeah.
तो 6 है.
छह.
5
I'm
and 6
6.
है.
I'm 6 life path 5.
तो बाद में होगा.
हाँ.
देखो, you-
So it was lovely being here.
Interacting.
It was lovely.
Yeah, it's lovely. Thank you. You made it so comfortable.
Thank you so much, Priya, for making
Can
this
we have this small all that?
Happy
सारे दे दीजिए.
Happy Wednesday.
We have small gift for
God
you.
bless you. Thank you so much. इसकी जरूरत थी नहीं प्रिया. Every time she does something.
Very small.
You know, Priya, you gave us the biggest gift
Thank you.
by calling us here. So
Thank
much,
you.
darling. Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you, Priya. God
Thank
bless
you so
Thank
much.
you.
God bless you.
Thank you so much.
So,
But it was really fun. Thank you. As I mentioned, I was so nervous because it was my first time to have so many. मैं कैसे hold करूँगी मैं? But thank you. You guys made it so comfortable and so much fun. I have to do no work. You have made it so easy.
We didn't.
Thank you
the
so
universe
much.
has done the job because she was manifesting. I do manifestation. Ho'oponopono. So we can share our number. We can
course.
create.
Yeah, definitely create a group.
With all of us, na, so that.
First, we will wrap up this. Thank you so much, everyone, for having us.
Thank you for having us. So your gut is your second brain.
True. Gut is
Everything what you think, what you eat, is not just going into your gut. It's going into your brain. So one has to activate that and keep activating your vagus nerve. Now that she mentioned that she's emotionally, her EQ is low. That's what you said. My EQ is weak. So what you need to do is more, Manya, you need to work on your breathing. Before taking any step, any decision, you need to breathe 4 times. Or if it is required more, don't take any decision on anything. don't even comment on anything. First take the deep breath and then work on yourself with respect to emotional thing. Don't show too much to people, because then they will start taking advantage of you. Right? So when I came, your first question was that
Read my aura.
you said
You have a
it-
very positive
she
aura.
said I have a very positive vibe. Why?
I don't know, there's
Just
a
felt
sense
it.
of comfort, you know, when someone is sitting next to you, you're having this conversation, the other person is not coming across as some, you know, as very person who's pretentious, person who's like trying to throw some shade at you or something has been, you just came.
I think when she enters, you feel validated.
Yeah,
You are there.
She
Welcome.
comforted me, she
Welcome,
asked
comforted.
me, like she's
Thanks.
greeting me.